you guys would like to order this wig, then check my description box below. I do have a coupon code for you guys, and I know everybody loves coupon codes. I do. Yeah, so what's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is a review on the hair from Unice. This is their headband wig. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for supporting me. You guys have been subscribing and staying tuned and watching all my videos. So I thank those who come and stay or return and stuff like that. I really love you guys and I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's get into this beautiful hair that I received from Unice. Alright, you guys, so this is what the box comes in. It comes in a box that says Unice. On the back, it tells you how to take care of your wig. In the inside, it comes with a bag that says Unice, and it comes with all your products. So you're going to get a wig cap. I got a nude color. You're going to get 2 headbands. This is the first one, and this is the second one. And then, of course, you're going to get your lovely headband wig, y'all. It looks so nice out of the pack. The body wave looks really, really pretty, and the color is gorgeous. It comes with 4 combs in the inside, and that's the strap. Alright, so my hair looks a mess, so don't talk about me right now. These are like some old braids, and I ain't taking them down till I'm ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down my baby hairs. I usually lay my baby hairs with Cream of Nature. I really got it for my daughter, but nothing lays her edges. So I finally tried like this Cream of Nature Perfect Edge Extra Firm Hold for 48 hours. And y'all, when I say it works better than anything that I've ever tried to use, it works better than anything that I ever tried to use. So I'm gonna lay my edges. Headband wigs are really like convenient. It's the most convenient thing that anybody has ever thought of. Like, it's a headband wig for me. Where's the headband wig, sis? Just gonna slap that everywhere on my edges. I'm just gonna swoop this one. All right, let's go ahead and put the cap on. All right, got the edges laid. Let's go ahead and put this wig on. I like to flip mine to the back. Only because I don't like it to look thick because I'll be wearing headbands. And I also tuck the band underneath. Ooh. I put the comb in it at the front because I don't want it to slide. I'm gonna go ahead and try on both the headbands. So this is the first headband. I'll go ahead and try it out. This is the actual wave of it.
Let's go ahead and try on the cheetah. This is a headband wig, so you can go ahead and curl it and style it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and curl and style. So if you want to see how I style this headband wig, because I really don't like the body wave on it, if you want to see how I style it, then stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna get all dolled up and then we can go over some details on this wig. If you guys would like to order this wig, then check my description box below. I do have a coupon code for you guys, and I know everybody loves coupon codes. I do. Yeah, so all right, you guys, so this is the outlook of the hair. This is its natural state, which is the body wave. It is very, very pretty. It's very, very full, to say it's only 150% density, and it's just really, really luscious. I really love it. It's very soft. It blends really well. So my hair is black at the top, and then with this, like having the darker roots come out a little further and a few black pieces, I really, really love it. It's really giving me Cheetah-licious vibes. That's how I'm feeling. This hair took about a week to get in, which is not bad at all. It's 150% density, and as you can see, it's very, very, very thick. It is human hair, so you can straighten it, curl it, do whatever you want with it. I'll probably put some I don't know, probably curls in it. I think curls will be really cute in it. But besides that, I really love it. It comes with a nice amount of things in there. I've always been eager to work with Unice, so this is my first time and I'm really excited, and I'll definitely do it again just because they were so well respectful, and I'll save the other video for that. But yeah, thank you, Unice, for sending me this hair. It's super, super cute. I'll definitely recommend it to you guys and post it on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.